Hi, my name is Victor. I'm work in Tarp System. Today, put the truck outside. It's almost ready. A couple second minutes before, I install the digger. This is new digger. The working for the accident truck. I'm replace the left springs, new kingpins, this bracket and the middle of the gearbox. Fix it. It's new radiator, new front shocks, new belts, replacing the oil pan gasket with this one. This is the oil pan gasket, new oil, water separator. I fix it later, lights, the grill, bumper, and maybe later windows, and that's it.